Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about different sports names and what they are all about. Let's have fun exploring them together.
Football.
Football.
Played by two teams aiming to score goals with a ball.
Yay!
Cricket.
Cricket.
A bat and ball game played between two teams of 11 players.
Yay!
Basketball.
Basketball.
Teams score by throwing the ball into the opponent's hoop.
Yay!
Tennis.
Tennis.
Players hit a ball over a net using rackets.
Yay!
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Teams hit a ball over a net to score by grounding it.
Yay!
Badminton.
Badminton.
Played with rackets and a shuttlecock over a net.
Yay!
Table tennis.
Table tennis.
Players hit a light ball across a small table with paddles.
Yay!
Baseball.
Baseball.
Teams score by hitting a ball and running bases.
Yay!
Rugby.
Rugby.
A physical team sport with an oval ball carried across the goal line.
Yay!
Hockey.
Hockey.
Teams use sticks to hit a ball into the opponent's goal.
Yay!
Ice hockey.
Ice hockey.
Played on ice with sticks and a puck.
Yay!
Golf.
Golf.
Players hit a ball into holes using clubs in the fewest strokes.
Yay!
Swimming.
Swimming.
Racing or performing strokes in water.
Yay!
Boxing.
Boxing.
Two fighters compete by landing punches in a ring.
Yay!
Wrestling.
Wrestling.
Opponents try to pin each other using grappling techniques.
Yay!
Karate.
Karate.
A martial art using punches, kicks, and blocks. Taekwondo.
Taekwondo.
A Korean martial art focused on high kicks and strikes. Gymnastics.
Gymnastics.
Athletes perform acrobatic and strength-based routines. Athletics.
Athletics.
Includes running, jumping, and throwing. Events. Cycling.
Cycling.
Racing or riding bicycles competitively. Horse riding.
Horse riding.
Riding horses in races or shows. Archery.
Archery.
Shooting arrows at a target with a bow. Shooting.
Shooting.
Aiming and firing at targets with guns. Squash.
Squash.
A fast indoor racket game played against walls. Skiing.
Skiing.
Gliding on snow using skis.
Great job, kids! Now you know 30 sports and their names. Keep playing, keep learning, and stay healthy.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.